Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the door gasket on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to change the gasket on your dishwasher, we're going to begin by opening the door up completely. If the old gasket is still in place, we'll need to remove that first. So just grasp it anywhere that you can get a grip on it. And then pull it out of the channel that is formed in the outer tub. And take note of how the profile of that gasket is positioned so that we can get the new one in properly. We can discard the old one. Now with our new one, we want to make sure that we find the center point of the gasket first. So line up the two ends, and without stretching it, then we'll put a little mark on that using either a ballpoint pen or a felt tip marker so that we know where the center point is. Now next, we're going to just inspect that gap where the gasket is going to fit into and remove any debris that may have been built up in there. Pay particular attention to the bottom, and if need be, just take a small flat blade screwdriver and remove any obstructions that may be in the way. If there is a lot of soap, crud, or dirt in there, you'll want to wash that out as well. And once we have that clean, our next step will be to start the gasket at the top center of the tub. Again, keeping in mind that the profile lines up properly. The corrugated portion of the gasket obviously goes into that groove, but you could easily reverse it and have the flange of the gasket protruding the wrong way. For this particular gasket, the flange will tilt towards the inside of the tub. Line up the top. And then just press it into that groove. And just continue to push that gasket into that groove. It's important that you press it in firmly so that the door will close properly. Now the gasket will typically be longer than the length of the height of that tub, but allow the excess to tilt forward and don't trim it off. If you have a lot of excess, it would indicate that you've probably stretched that gasket when you placed it in to that groove, so you may need to pull it back out and start again. And just do a visual inspection all the way around the edge of that groove to make sure that you have it inserted all the way. And check the operation of the door to make sure that it latches easily. And check it again to make sure it didn't pull out anywhere. You can now close the door up completely, and your repair is complete.